What we have today is a beautiful Husqvarna 359. It's had almost 3 tanks ran through it. It's nearly new. I removed the 3/8 pitch chain and sprocket, of course, and put an 18-inch bar with a 325 sprocket, and you'll see it's a cutting son of a gun. I updated the intake, which means it won't leak and burn them up. I opened up the muffler and just did a few little things here and there. I'll show you how she works. This here is crab apple and it's dry. It's real hard wood. Pretty sweet little saw there. Lasts somebody a long time.